This tutorial will explain the definitions, rules, tips, and tricks when using the MyMoves video exercise planner. So what is a move? It's an exercise movement such as a push-up, a squat, maybe bicycling or running. Move videos are included in the MyMoves platform to select from to build exercise routines. But what is a custom move? A custom video that you produce yourself or one that you find on the internet and add it for use in building an exercise routine. If you're producing custom videos from scratch, you must have a Vimeo or YouTube account or channel to upload them. And a custom move can also be entered without a video link. It can be used to add a quick note like rest day or additional instructions about a routine, method, or technique. What is a MyMove template? It's an exercise routine that has been designed by you consisting of one or more days or weeks containing various movements and exercise methods. A template can be copied to one or multiple clients at once. Templates created by you can be edited or revised at any time. What is a master template? It is a routine that has been pre-designed and included with your MyMoves account. Master MyMoves exercise templates can be quickly copied to one or more clients without having to design an exercise routine from scratch. A master MyMove exercise template cannot be edited. A few rules regarding custom added moves. Custom moves added by you in your admin account will be available for you to use when creating custom move exercise templates or routines. Custom moves added by you in your admin account will be available for your clients to browse and add to their personally created routines on their MyMoves profile screen. Browsing for custom moves will only be available on your customer's web portal account. This is the internet account. Custom moves will only appear on the mobile app if they are included in an assigned exercise routine by the administrator. Custom moves are only searchable via the online portal and are not searchable to be found on the mobile app. Once a custom move is added to a routine, it will appear on the mobile app as part of an assigned workout routine. Rules applying to the exercise routine templates you create. MyMoves workout templates that are created by you in your admin account can be assigned to one or more clients, but only visible to the client if assigned to them. MyMoves workout templates that are created in your admin account by you will not appear on your client's mobile app unless it has been assigned to them by you through the administrative area. Some tips and tricks for using the MyMoves video exercise planner is the order in which the movements are added. It's important that you add the exercise movements in the order in which you want them to be performed by the client. Exercise routine notes and instructions are specific if you are adding a custom video move because you have to enter them into the description before you save the custom video link, the URL. So make sure you enter those specific instructions about performing that movement. If you're using a move video from the available collections and want to give specific instructions such as supersets, rest intervals, techniques, enter the instructions as a custom move without a video link. Enter the move name something like read this first or Follow these instructions. Enter this custom move before you add the specific exercise movement so it appears above it. A fun way to create detailed instructions on all your routines is to do an intro video that gives specific instructions related to the routine. Add this as a custom move and enter it as the first movement so it appears at the top of the day. Rest days can be added as a custom move, and you can add that between the workout days. You can add specific instructions within the rest day move. For example, drink plenty of water or follow your meal plan.